My God. Hey guys, welcome back to another Geometry Dash video, my second one. Actually, this is my third one. I'm pretty upset right now. I just lost an hour of footage. Basically what I did, I was doing this level of Verity, which I got pretty far on. And then I was doing the Demon Gun. I was doing this level. Got pretty far on it, so I just lost an hour of footage. Basically what I was saying is, in that video, in the footage that I lost, I was saying, because my phone died, I lost that footage. I was saying if I got 30 likes on this video, I've never gotten a like for a video. It's usually from like some of my family. Then I would attempt to do this level. I would attempt to complete this level, this torture level. Look at this, super hard. Well, it's not hard at first, but it gets harder. This should be a hard. Oh my God, I did not mean to fly there. So I'm gonna be re-recording. I'm gonna make another hour of footage for you guys, just for you guys. Where I'm gonna try and get at least 40% on this level. Oh, come on, okay. Okay, I'll get 40% later in this video. I don't really want to try Verity anymore. It wasn't that fun. I might try... Let's try maybe... Oh, what I was showing earlier. In the other footage that I lost. I was showing my friend's levels. I think I misspelled it. Yep, I forgot a P. My friend made this level. Yeah, he should probably fix those orb timings. Yeah, he needs to fix those. Maybe move that red orb a little closer, I think. Yeah, he should. Oh my God. It's a pretty hard level. Oh, yes. There's still a few flaws in the level, like if you could just skip the entire rest of the level with that dash orb. What the heck? What the heck? What just happened? What just happened? I just went through the spike. That was so weird. That was so strange. Okay, yeah, my friend's gonna fix that. Okay. It's not too difficult of a level, though. Except when that happens. Like... Alright, there you go. The level done. And then he's also made these levels. Oh my gosh. This one has the Tidal Wave soundtrack, but I can't play it because it's probably copyright. Oh my God. Okay, oh my gosh, okay. Yeah, this is a pretty difficult level. Honestly, not gonna lie. I'm not gonna overwhelmed by the straight fly. Okay, I did it, yep, yeah. Yes, there you go. And then he's also made this one, which is a pretty kind of trollish level. Because he made a troll just for me. He kept on telling me on Xbox Party Chat to go through the ball portal to get a coin. And this is what's really through the ball portal up there. Just, oh my God. Oh my gosh, come on. It's easy straight fly. Alright, look at this, and then he just spikes. There's just spikes there. It's kind of funny. This ball part isn't actually too difficult. I mean, it's kind of hard, but not too difficult. Alright. Lakes. Yeah, I got 5% on both pathway. I'm gonna actually try this. Okay, come on. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It's the straight fly that I can't get past. Because mobile straight fly is pretty difficult. Especially when it switches straight to upside down. Oh, what? I think I'm lagging a little bit. My phone had died, which made me lose all that other footage. It was like, I think maybe even 2 hours of footage, maybe. I would definitely recommend Verity. It's a pretty cool level. Just kind of got bored of playing it, so I don't really want to play it. Really, this video. Anyways, I'm trying to get 50 subscribers so I can do streams. Because streaming would be nice. But I'm not going to show my face because I might not show my face until like maybe around 100,000 subs because kind of ugly. Yeah. In my opinion, I look pretty ugly. Oh, wow. My throat hurts. My god. By the way, you could not hear me the last video. Because the last video, I thought I turned the microphone on. It just didn't work for some reason. Okay, wait. I think I've got this. Okay, never mind. Okay, wait. Go do practice mode. Come on. Practice mode. Wait, what the heck? Why did I just do pretty good there? Okay, wait, so if you go... I'm actually doing pretty good with the... Okay, so you don't want to click on mouse. What the heck? What the heck is going on? What is this? Oh my god, my throat. What the heck? I need water. Oh my god. I need water. Get water. Yeah. Oh my god. Whew. Okay. Oh my god, why am I so bad at this? Come on. No. Oh my god. Okay. What the heck? I was not expecting that. I was honestly not expecting that. What the heck? Okay, come on, bro. I gotta put that thing right there. That little thingy. Oh my god. It's just flashing lights. People with epilepsy cannot play this, I guess. Clearly. tunnel just tries to kill you. Oh wait, yes. Doing pretty good. Doing pretty good on practice mode. Okay. Oh my gosh. I feel like I could beat this level, honestly. Like on normal mode. Maybe, well, someday, maybe. What the heck? Is I just coming after you? What the heck? This is a pretty hard level. What the heck? I'm gonna set a checkpoint. I'll get to this side. Okay. Okay, wait, I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, just slice the high in half. Okay, so the cat was just trying to stare at me, I guess so. Man, dude, I just wish I did not have to. That the level, I mean, that the footage did not freaking disappear. Why? How do I have only 4% of this level? Okay, how do I only have 6%? What the heck? It's not even that difficult. Okay, never mind. There's just random portals all over the place. Just random size changing portals. This isn't too difficult. Okay. I just died at 45. Oh, I got a demon key. Okay. Yeah, I remember doing Speed Racer. It wasn't too difficult for me, I don't think so. I don't think it was too difficult. Okay, come on. Oh, doing good. Okay, well, I did. How many times do I have? 730. Oh my god! Wow. I think I beat how long did the lightning rod take me? 423. Platinum Adventure. How long did that take me? 386. And I think the nightmare took me, around 1,000. Honestly. 293. How many times do I have in Bloodbath and 5%? 548. I thought it took way more on the nightmare. Like, honestly. I think I could honestly beat X. Like, honestly, it doesn't seem too difficult. Death Moon. How hard is Death Moon? I did not remember playing this. Okay, so the first jump is clearly difficult. What the heck? Okay. What the heck? Okay, so this is the type of stuff that I'll be doing soon, apparently. Guys, 10 subs and I'll beat Death Moon. 10 subs from this video. Or, like, just 10 subs, like... Okay, you know what? Never mind. Just if I gain 10 subs, then... Yeah. Okay, what the heck? So it's just blind jumps every 5 seconds. This isn't really that too creative. It's just blind jumps every 5 seconds. Someone fluked from 43%, dude. Frick, bro. How the heck did someone fluke from 43%? Dude, what? I can't fluke from 6%. Most likely gonna be a blind jump, right? No, okay, never mind. Never mind. It's no blind jump. Okay. Okay, so just ship now, right? Okay. This isn't really too difficult. Okay, it's kind of overwhelming. But I'm doing pretty good. Never mind, what is that timings? What are those timings, bro? Oh, come on. Okay, practice mode. I heard Extinction is a pretty hard level. I kind of want to try it, but not really. I haven't beaten a medium demon yet, only platformers. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, overwhelming me a little bit, but you got it. Oh, that was just unfair last time. Okay, what the heck is that dual part? What the heck is that dual part? That dual part is painful. What is that wave? Curse that wave part. Okay, never mind. This is actually not too difficult. This is difficult, though. Okay, no, this is easy. It's kind of just wave spam, honestly. Oh, come on. It's a blind jump, I swear. It was a blind jump. This is torture. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, come on. Why is it so bouncy, dude? Why is this a bouncy level? If someone flukes from 42, then I'm pretty sure that maybe I can do it too. What the heck just happened? Just did like a swag route. You literally just hold that entire part. No, come on. Come on. Why is it so hard? Okay, I'm setting a checkpoint right here. What the heck? I thought I just found a skip for a second. It's not a skip. Yeah, I feel like I could honestly beat this level. Like, low-key. This doesn't seem too difficult. Like, not too difficult. Oh yeah, this ain't too hard. Okay, so we're just going through every game mode now. What the heck, dude? Oh, that's easy. Oh my god. Okay. I wonder if anyone died, like, near the 90s. Like, at the end. 89. Wait, what was 89? Oh, well, whatever. I'm just gonna try. Normal mode real quickly. This video is gonna go on for quite a while. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Okay. No! Frick. You're just gonna do all that to me, seriously? A bunch of blind jumps right at the start. Right off the bat, it's just blind jumps, honestly. Okay. Alright, let's do this. No! No! I forgot I have to click a little later there. Just a little bit later. That was a new best, though. Because when I go quiet, that means I'm locked in. That means I lock in. When I go quiet, that means I lock in. Okay, so basically, that's what this means. I forgot I had to do that. Forgot I had to jump there. Okay, but I forgot that was the dual part entirely, honestly. Okay, let's do this. Blind jump. Okay, ship part. Let's do this. This is pretty overwhelming kind of ship, honestly. It's kind of crazy. Okay, oh my gosh, that was close. Okay, let's do this. I forgot to jump. Oh my gosh. Are we serious? Okay, I gotta remember when to jump and when to not jump. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, I've returned. Yeah. I've returned with skill. More skill than I had before, trust. I'm about to cook. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh, I keep failing that part. Okay, so if there's a spike on the outside, don't jump. Spike on the inside, jump. Okay, that should help, right? That should totally help me. I think so. Maybe, probably not. Most likely not. Whatever. I thought that was a solid wall. I do not know what I was thinking. My brain just went dead there for a second. That was like a 20 IQ play. Freaking 10 IQ, 7 IQ. I wish I knew how to edit. Because I would love to edit in videos. Well, I don't know how to like do cuts and stuff. I don't know how to do like display images, stuff like that. Or like a montage or something, I don't know. Just coming up with random stuff. Or like sound effects. I don't know how to do none of that. I'll try and learn though. Okay, let's not do what I did last time. Oh my gosh. Okay, doing good. We're doing pretty well. No! I jumped. Maybe I still go inside. I don't know. What the heck? That is so dumb. Okay, well, I didn't jump. I jumped. So maybe I don't jump? What am I doing? Okay. I'm gonna do a different level. I don't even know how long I've been recording for. What time it is? 7:40. I think I've been recording for around 40 minutes. Daily level build. What? Secret stage. Okay. Doggy verifications. It's an easy level, guys. Trust me. Super easy level. This is an extremely easy level, guys. Easy level. Easy level. I said easy level. Okay. Easy level. Okay. Easy level. No. Oh my god. I've actually never done that. Okay. So I have to hold. Oh. Okay. Jump. Boom. Boom. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so hard. I mean, obviously, it's an extreme game. It's Slaughterhouse. Come on. How do I make the first jump every time, bro? Oh my god. How would I keep making the first jump? How on earth do I keep on making that first jump? How do I make it again? Oh, come on. No, I do not remember here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so hard. It's like frame perfects, right? I think it's frame perfects. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's frame perfects. No! That second jump is so difficult. How did I do that second jump first try? This one right here. Oh my god. That was way too early. Boing. Boom. Oh my god. Boing. Nope. Boing. Boing. Whee! Okay, no. Go. Go. No. Right. No. No. Now. Now. No. 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 Now. 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 No. Now and later. Ah. I love those candies. I love that candy. That's the first time I actually ever made it through. And it kills you. And it kills me. I think it's like the first time it's happened. It's time I show my true skill, guys. It's time I show my true skills. This is real Slaughterhouse, guys. Wait, hold up. If it would just load, it'd be great. What the heck? What the heck's up with my Wi-Fi? Oh my god, come on. Oh, you want to show now? But then when I put this in, what the heck, dude? I don't have any mods on. I have modifiers. I just can't type anything in. What the heck, dude? Okay. There's an insane demon slaughterhouse. What is this? Oh, shoot. It's kind of hard. Well, obviously it's hard. It's an insane demon. What the heck? I just got 8%? Yeah, I could definitely do slaughterhouse, guys. Trust me. What? This is not slaughterhouse easy? This is not slaughterhouse at all. This isn't even slaughterhouse. Okay, yeah, guys. Yep. Yeah, guys. Super easy. Okay, yep. Yeah. Super easy, guys. This is real slaughterhouse. Oh, come on. I was not ready for that wave. Okay, this is super hard. I'm struggling so much on slaughterhouse, guys. I don't think I can do this. I might not be able to do this, guys. This might be a little too difficult for me. Yeah, guys. This may be a little bit too difficult for me. Wait, I'm doing well on slaughterhouse, guys. I'm actually doing great on slaughterhouse. Wait, what the heck? I'm actually doing good, guys. Doing really good on slaughterhouse, guys. This is real. This is real slaughterhouse, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, this is real slaughterhouse. No, I died. Oh, wow. I got so far on slaughterhouse, guys. Okay, bro. Okay, wait. I'm actually gonna do actual slaughterhouse. Actual slaughterhouse. Oh. Oh, I just did it. I did it, guys. Did it. Oh my god. Oh, I'm at the cross part. Oh my, wow, I just did that. Oh my god, oh my gosh, wow, guys. I'm actually doing like insanely good. Oh, I'm doing so good. Oh my god. Oh, I'm doing so good. It's just a glitch, guys. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god, guys, I'm so good. So good at this game. I'm really just so good at this game, guys. Yeah, it's so easy. Wow, guys, I'm like actually so good at this game. I should be slaughterhouse for sure, guys. Yeah, right, that was super hard, guys. Just did that first try. I'm actually so good at this game. Alright, I'll do the bonus gauntlet tomorrow. Or if you guys even want to see the bonus gauntlet, I don't think you do. Bonus Force Gauntlet. Propane Nightmares. I don't really want to do that. No, gauntlets. Power Gauntlet. Mystery Gauntlet. Cyber Gauntlet. Curse Gauntlet. Castle Gauntlet. World Gauntlet. NCS. What's the NCS? What's in the NCS too? Slasher. This seems like a pretty difficult, hard level. Yeah, it's super difficult. I just failed the first jump. Come on. Fricker. Okay, I just opened the door. Bouncing up on furniture. Oh, come on. I didn't know those were spikes. They don't look like spikes to me. They look safe. They look like Legos, guys. Trust. They look like someone spilled a few nachos on the floor. Thought it was just like spilled nachos or something. Oh, come on. I was not expecting a swing copter. I'm not great with swing copter at all, really. But, I mean, I could try. Like, I'll try the level. Nah, it's too difficult for me. What is this? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I forgot about this level. It's just some, like, weird, goofy funk. I just don't like funk, in my opinion. I feel like it's kind of goofy. Yeah, I feel like funk is kind of goofy, in my opinion, honestly. Oh my god. Okay. It's kind of cringe. Afterlife. What is this? Discord. How is this the Discord comment? I mean, it's kind of blue like Discord. I mean, yeah. Okay, wait, what? There's a second path to this level? That's cool. Wait, so what if I fall down on the first one? Oh, well, wait, that's so cool. There's two paths in this level. Two pathways. Wait, so I could just, like, pick a path or whatever? I mean, I feel like the other one, upwards, is easier. I feel like the top. Yeah. I feel like the top might be way easier, honestly. Oh, come on. Oh, when you fall, you go to the afterlife. You fall down there. What is this? I think I played this. Yeah, I played it. Yeah, I remember hating this. I don't think I did many attempts on it. 30, yeah. Not many attempts. Caput Mundi. Oh, come on. Come on, dude. Was not expecting that. Can't just throw a blind jump at me. And you can, I guess. Okay. Kind of run out of ideas. Alright, I'll cut to where I find an idea. Okay, so we're gonna do the first level of the bonus gauntlet. And then we're gonna end the video here. A pretty good video in my opinion. Hope you guys enjoy it. Now, as I said, if I got 30 likes, then I would commit to beating the first level of the Demon Gauntlet. Sidestep. which I'm not gonna enjoy, but I mean, 30 likes, because I really do not want to do that level. Alright. Oh, wow, okay. Whoa. This is getting crazy. Kind of cool. What the heck? Okay. Oh my god. Okay, it was not cool, apparently. It just killed me for... the level killed me for complimenting it. Well, that's what I get. Even though I did not deserve anything. Okay, wait. An idea. Okay. The idea... this is the idea. Wait for it. Wait for it, guys. This is the idea. This is the idea. It's a really good idea, guys. This is the idea. Never mind, that's not the idea. Wait, this is the idea, guys. This is it. Okay, the idea was to beat the level, but never mind. I think I missed like a speed portal or something. Oh no, I was just bad timing. Okay, this is the idea now, guys. This is the new idea. It's the greatest idea. Oh, come on, I missed the coin. That is so stupid. I think that's an orb right there that I could click. 92, dude. Come on, bro. This cannot be rated normal. I'm failing on a normal rated level, bro. Come on, dude. Come on. Also, since when does a normal rated level have upside down fly? This level has upside down ship, bro. Come on. Upside down ship. Also, I was just not paying attention there. I mean, this should at least be, like, rated maybe hard. At least just hard. Like the yellow. I mean, it's not difficult or anything, but it's just, like, just strange. Oh, come on. Why do I keep doing that? Why do I keep on doing that? Normal int. Normal int. Normal int. Okay. Let's just do this. And by this, I mean this. Like this. Just wait for it. This. It's about to happen. It's this. Let's go. Sir. Oh, I got 900 stars. Oh. Yeah, I think I got 900 stars. Let me see. What? No. Oh. Wait, it's forgetting. I think it's. Let me see. So many shinies. Wait. Let me see. Where's the thing? Is it the user coins? For the user coins, I think, maybe. Oh, yeah, these, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is for 5 gauntlets. How many gauntlets have I beaten? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5. Okay. It's 5. Bang. 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 Ah. Okay. We're just gonna do a little teaser. Then I'll end the video. Okay. Well, not that short. Not that short either. Come on. Okay, come on. Not that short. What? What is this level? This is kind of weird. I don't like this. Imagine I just beat it first try. Oh my gosh, dude. I knew there was gonna be something there. Oh, what the heck? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I just beat this first try. Well, not first try, but like 3rd try. Or maybe 4th try, I don't know. You know I already have 70%, dude. What the heck? I'm so good at this game. Well, now that's another level done in the gauntlet. What the heck, dude? Why am I so good at this game? Why am I so good at this game? I beat it already. Battle time. Fine, I'll just try it. Just try it. Anyway, there's no way I'm about to beat this first try. I'm not going to beat this first try. There's absolutely no way. I mean, I can lock in the what? Okay, I clicked. Okay, I'm trying again just because of that. I clicked. I know for a fact I clicked. Okay. Alright, well, that's all for now, guys. See you next video. Goodbye. Wait, actually, let me show my thing. Looks kind of creepy, right? Goodbye.